What the heck is happening? That's what I said to myself as I played virtual DJ, spinning two records in front of me with a crossfade knob and special effects I could control with my hands in mid-air. I just reached out and touched them. I had a similar what the fish moment in a good way when I just looked at my MacBook to connect and surprise its display on the wall in front of me. Then I pinned the Apple Music app to the left of my desk and Slack to the right. This is what Apple means by spatial computing. And I was left almost speechless when I viewed a 3D spatial video of my three dogs coming towards the camera. It's so immersive you may get a bit emotional. Oh, and you can watch regular 3D movies in Apple TV Plus that blow away your local theater. The Apple Vision Pro is an incredible piece of technology with eye and hand tracking interface that puts the competition to shame. But there is some early bugs and some very weird things that come along with this revelation, including a freaky digital persona version of yourself that can appear in FaceTime calls. Starting at $3,500, the Vision Pro is obscenely expensive and for well-heeled early adopters only. But it is the most innovative product Apple has created in over a decade and a fascinating look at the future of computing and entertainment rolled into one very sleek package. Here's what it's like to use and my pros and cons so far. The Apple Vision Pro is available for pre-order now and the release date is February 2. This headset may be able to track your eyes with amazing precision, but it also starts at an eye-watering price of $3,499. The entry-level model comes with 256GB of storage and it's $3,699 for 512GB and $3,899 for 1TB. Wire glasses. The Zeiss optical inserts for readers cost $99 and prescription lenses cost $149. Though I do like how easily they magnetically attach to the Vision Pro. Apple Care Plus will run you an additional $499, which gives you 2 years of unlimited repairs and damage protection. In terms of accessories, there is plenty of options, but the one I recommend most is the $199 travel case, which is big and bulky but will protect the Vision Pro when you are flying or just going to and from the office. Other accessories include Belkin's battery holder for $49. The Apple Vision Pro comes in a pretty big box and there is lots of stuff in it, including the headset itself, the light seal fitted for your face, the light seal cushion, and both the solo knit band and dual loop band. There is also the Apple Vision Pro battery, which remains tethered to the headset at all time, a second thicker light seal cushion, a polishing cloth, and a 30-watt USB-C power adapter. The Apple Vision Pro is easily the sleekest headset yet, with a curved glass front panel and a modular design that makes it very customizable to the wearer. But it's definitely not light. After 30 minutes I felt it weighing on my cheeks. When ordering your Vision Pro, you will scan your face similar to how you'd set a Face ID to get a light seal that's personalized, which prevents light from leaking into your view. There are two bands that come with the Vision Pro. There is the solo knit band and the dual loop band. The former is stretchy and makes it really easy to take the Vision Pro on and off, and you can quickly tighten and loosen the fit with the built-in knob. The dual loop band provides more stability because there is a strap that goes across the top of your head and the back. I find this one better for longer Vision Pro sessions as there is more support for what's pretty weighty headset. The Vision Pro weighs 1.3 to 1.4 pounds, which is more than an 11-inch iPad Pro on your head. For context, the Meta Quest 3 weighs 1.1 pounds and the Meta Quest Pro 1.6 pounds. After wearing the Vision Pro on and off for several hours, I didn't find it uncomfortable to wear, but I did feel like taking periodic breaks because of the heft. I also get some light and red marks on my cheeks. The right side of the Vision Pro houses the digital crown, which brings up the home screen from wherever you are. Turning the crown dials up the immersion on whatever environment you are watching and also controls the volume. The button on the left side of the headset is a top button which you can use for capturing spatial photos and videos as well as confirming purchase. I really like how modular the Vision Pro design is. The light seal and the light seal cushion attached magnetically to the device, and it's easy to swap out the two band options by pulling on little orange tags. But I would say the magnetic connection could be a bit stronger. A couple times when picking up the Vision Pro, the light seal detached. So you are better off holding it by the metal and glass frame. The Apple Vision Pro is easy to scoff at because of its price, and I definitely can't afford one at $3,500 but now that I have been wearing one and testing all its features, I would argue that it's the most innovative Apple product since the original iPhone. There is an insane amount of ingenuity of display here, from the razor sharp micro OLED displays and the super realistic video pass through to the remarkably intuitive and fun interface that tracks your eyes and hands. I am also very impressed with the spatial computing experience as it takes multitasking to the next level, especially when you add a Mac to the mix. In terms of entertainment, the 3D video experience on the Vision Pro is unmatched, and immersive video in particular has a ton of potential to change the way we view everything from concerts to sporting events. And the 3D goodness continues with moving spatial videos and photos that transform your memories into something hyper-real. The Vision Pro app situation is clearly still in the early stages, with some notable heavy hitters missing at launch, but the AR apps I tried are jaw-droppingly convincing and should hopefully spur more developers to hop on the board. So what's not to like about the Vision Pro? The super expensive price is a big one, as it will greatly limit this headset's initial appeal. Some may want to wait for the rumored lower cost version on the horizon, but there is no timetable for that. I also found that the third battery to be annoying at times, and the personas, while admirable, are a bit unnerving to look at. So hopefully they look considerably better after the beta stage. So my bottom line on the Vision Pro is that it's definitely revolutionary, but it's a revolution very much in progress. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.